to Lastimosa. Atake si Carlo. Layup is good.
Too easy.
Finds Naive. Shoots the three. Knocks it down. Robbie Naive. Out of those turnovers. Lastimosa.
That Dastein would remember each game.
Ooh, Samboy De Leon. To Subido. Attacks the closeout. Renzo layup.
Oh,
yes! Step through. Robbie Naive for two. It's down to 6.
Number 453. Okay? I don't even know if Einstein would remember each game.
Ooh, Samboy De Leon. Back to work para kay Sambo. Keanu.
Samboy's open.
De Leon for 3. Good. Down goes Asho. Thought he stepped on the line.
I thought he was out of bounds too.
Yeah. Naive. Step through. Robbie Naive for 2. It's a 2. Bonifacio. Cañete stood his ground. Warren finds Renzo. 3 for Renzo Subido to beat the shot clock. Philip finds Naive. Shoots the 3. Knocks it down. Robbie Naive coming alive here in the 4th quarter.
It's the shot.
Subido to Lastimosa. Atake si Carlo. Layup is good.
Too easy. Defense. Non-existent.
JJ. Out to Subido. Attacks the closeout. Renzo layup.
Oh,
yes!
Just a gutsy player.
De Leon will fire. That's a miss.
That's a foul. And Pingris hits his head on Warren Bonifacio's foot as he fell on the ground. He called the foul on Camson.
Yeah, Rizal just running out. Philip Manala gets it to Camson. Oh,
Excellent defense by Ping.
an effort galing kay Mark Pingris.
Oh my gosh. Because he had to show.
Has scored 14 points out of those turnovers. Lastimosa.
The dagger.
Trying to finish off.
Rebounds mabigat eh.
Yeah.
Because you play defense, you play hard for 20 to 20.
Teammates pumped up, but there's a turnover. 9-point game. Alwin Alday has it. Alday goes to Naive. A 3. Big one here. It's down to 6. A minute and 23 remain. Kenny. A minute and 14 left. Curva. Manalang has it. Camson to Philip. Well defended by Pamboy. Naive again. Almost got that one in. Pingris with a rebound. Ruka Curva has it. And the foul given up by Robbie Naive. They just
Session ball game.
which he does. 78-71. Naive drives. A little hang time. Agawan sa rebound. It ends up with Pamboy Raimundo. And Pamboy will dribble this one out. Will stay with Binyan. Manalang. Gets it to Cañete. 10 seconds remaining. Camson. Still challenged by Pingris. Carlo Lastimosa collects the rebound, and it's all about reaching new heights for the Binyan Tatakja Beast Motorcycle Tire. They are bound for the South Division semifinals for the first time in franchise history. They sweep